In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timesheets on QuickBooks. If you need a clean copy of your team's hours for payroll, billing, or analysis, this walkthrough will take you from opening QuickBooks to downloading the report you need. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're in the correct company file. For best results, confirm that time tracking is enabled for your account and that you have permission to view reports. Once you're in, go to the Reports section. You'll find it in the left navigation panel. On the Reports page, use the search bar to quickly locate a time report. Type Time and look for the option that fits your workflow, such as Time Activity by Employee. Select the report to open it. Before exporting, customize the report so it matches the period you want. At the top, set the report period by choosing a preset like this month or last month, or enter a custom range for your exact pay period dates. Take a moment to preview the rows to ensure the entries and totals reflect the time frame you expect. If anything looks off, adjust the date filter and apply your changes until the totals line up with your records. With the report displaying the right information, you're ready to export. In the upper right corner of the report, look for the export icon next to the email icon. Click the export icon. Choose the format that suits your needs. Export to Excel if you plan to sort, filter, or combine the data with other spreadsheets. Export to PDF if you just need a formatted snapshot to share or archive. Give the file a clear name that includes the report type and date range, and save it to a folder you use for payroll or client billing. After the download completes, open the file to confirm everything looks correct. In Excel, you can widen columns, freeze headers, or adjust page scaling before sending it along. If you notice missing hours, return to the report, tweak the date range, and export again. That's all there is to it. You opened QuickBooks, went to Reports, searched for the time report you needed, set the date range, and used the export icon to download your timesheets. Repeat these steps whenever you need an updated file, and you'll always have accurate hours ready for payroll or invoices. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!